Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Aapl. Most of the trading on Aapl stock on Wednesday took place in the afternoon, and the stock price rose further in late trading with heavy volume. But there may be some capital outflows here, and this may force the stock price to pull back again. But the stock does not seem to have much room for a pullback. The data shows that the cumulative outflow of funds from the market on Monday and Tuesday was large, but the inflow of funds on Wednesday was higher than the outflow, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. This means that capital has accelerated outflows from the market at a low price this week, but these chips seem to be eaten up by long forces. In the past 3 days, the stock's trading volume has increased significantly, which is a signal that long capital has entered the market to take over the chips, and these long capitals do not seem to have exited the market. So even if the stock price pulls back, the stock's bulls will not let the stock price fall too much, and the stock may rise further afterwards. Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices stock rose strongly in the afternoon trading on Wednesday with heavy volume. Obviously, as the stock price rises, the stock is facing selling pressure from locked-in capital, and this may force the stock price to pull back again, but the room for decline is limited. Data shows that in the last 4 trading days, only Tuesday's capital flow was a net outflow, which means that a large amount of funds entered the market to take over the chips when the stock price was consolidating at a low level this week. And these long capitals did not seem to completely exit the market when the stock price soared on Wednesday. The stock currently still has a large number of positions distributed below $86, which means that the stock is still supported by long forces. So it is not easy for shorts to significantly lower the stock price. I don't think the stock will fall below the $86 level, and then the stock will rise further. Intel. Intel stock was traded very cautiously in the morning trading on Wednesday, but the stock price rose strongly in the afternoon trading with a large volume. Obviously, as the stock price rose, a lot of funds flowed in and out of the stock because there are a lot of locked positions waiting to be sold above $20, and this may force the stock price to pull back again, but the downside is limited. The data shows that the daily capital flow of the stock has been a net outflow in the last 2 trading days, but the cumulative net outflow amount is not large, which means that a large amount of funds have flowed in and out of the stock in the last 2 days, but the market's bullish sentiment is still high, and the stock is still supported by bullish forces. In the last 3 trading days, the stock seems to have accumulated some bullish forces in the $17.60 to $20 area, and these bullish capital may not have completely exited the market, which means that the stock may rebound again after a pullback to around $20, and will rise further. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for these 3 stocks. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.